Hi there, this side Viren. So today we are trying to discuss one more code shape problem and it is of code drive round and made up for div 3 participant. So let us see what was the question is that and question name is favorite string of chef. So let us see what was the scenario is given. A string s is called chef favorite if every substring chef in s must have substring code. So in short, there is a long string. It's given here like that, and in that long string, if the every chef, in short, every chef substring will have, it must have substring code. So let us see what other things are given here. You are given a string s of size n that contain both code and chef. So it is clearly mentioned that every string contain code and chef in it. So no string is like that without code and chef. Please determine if s is chef favorite string or not. So we just have to say that it's a chef favorite string or not. Its note is given here and it was the input format. The first line of input contain t, the number of test cases, and each test case contain first two line and first line contain n, the size of the string, and second line contains string itself. And for output format, for each test case, output on a single line AC. We have to print AC if S is a chef's favorite string or WA in case of if the string is not favorite of the chef. So these all are the constraint and this is the test input and this is test output. Let us discuss this test input and output in clear manner. So as I take this as code chef has the string. So what we need to do here right now, so we are just checking that if a code sub this is full one string, we are considering it, and this is one of its substring and this is one of its substring. So code substring is coming for first then chef. So yeah, this is the favorite string, so we print AC. So basically what approach we are going to build right now. So approach is like that. Let us see second case and we will discuss that approach also. So like if we have a string of many characters like this, so our basic motto is to find that we are just playing with index right now. So we just find the starting index of chef and starting index of code. So we get to know that this is the I, for example the index of this starting index of code, and for example j is the starting index of chef. So we just compare that I is less than, in short, I is less than j. So it is sure that code will came first, then chef will came. So this type of every string will satisfy this condition is always chef favorite string. So we print AC for this type of strings. So let us see one more test case and we'll get clear idea. So yeah, here I again take this is the big string. So we just run one for loop from zero index to end of the string like this. So we get to know that code index is this and chef index is this, right? So we are know that I is not less than, I is not less than, not less than j. So it is not chef favorite string. So for this test case we print w as our answer. So let us see how I implemented in this concept in code part. It's a simple concept. So it is not that much difficult. We just finding the index. So as in input section declare that first line contain and the size of string. So I declare one variable and take the input from the user, and second line itself has a string and I declare string variable as s and take input from the user on that s. After that I initialize two variable count 1 and count 2 with -1 because indexes are starting with 0. If I initialize with 0, then we get conflict case here that 0 0 it initially 0 and we are getting 0, so it create conflict during the code part. So I initialize with -1 because we are sure that indexes are never start with negative numbers. So I run this for loop and find this combination. Sorry, this got deflected. So I find this condition that s of I is equal to c and s of I plus 1 is equal to o, like this, the full code sequence. If I getting this same sequence like in this manner, that not leaving any space in between, all are this continuous, so I simply update this count one, sorry, it got deflected again. uh, so so I update the count variable with the indexes of starting index of code, and I break the for loop. After that I again run one again for loop for checking the starting index of chef, right? Yeah, in this manner I get to know that what was the starting index of chef, and I simply run this if and else. Sorry, this time I'm getting weird, it's getting weird. So yeah, it's fine now. So I run this if condition and check that starting index of code is less than starting index of chef. So this condition will true, so we will simply print AC, otherwise we simply print W. So yeah, this was the simple code implementation of this question, and we get AC label for all the test case. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any doubt related to this question, you simply comment down in comment box, and I surely reach out to you. And you can also join my Telegram channel, so where the regular discussion is made and the latest update of every contest is made there. Thanks for watching.